Hi, I'm Shashank Sharma. I'm a senior product marketer at HiveMQ. Uh, I help connect our customers with our product and engineering team, and I'm usually talking about our products, what they do, and how they help our customers in events like this today. So, yeah, that's what I do. So HiveMQ provides an industrial IoT data streaming platform. What we do are three things. We connect all the assets of in the oil and gas industry, in the upstream, midstream, downstream, securely with the IT systems and other control systems across the organization. We help stream that data from the sensors or from the site, remote sites, to the operations and control rooms, and we help organization contextualize their data while the data is flowing. So data is ready for more AI and other applications, downstream applications. The value it brings to our customers is better visibility into their assets, and contextualized data makes things like predictive maintenance, predictive analytics, and process optimizations way easier and faster and driven by real-time events instead of historical data. AUTOMA has been a very good conference for us. I think it's a great place to meet technology innovators, industry leaders, and operators, and other solutions in oil and gas all under one roof. So we have had really good discussions with not just with people who are interested in our products, but also other vendors who are selling also complementary solutions or different parts of the ecosystem. And this has been very great conversation so far in understanding what oil and energy industry needs and what are the top trends and what are the top challenges in the industry. So our aim coming here was to have some very interesting conversations with our prospects, but also with understand where the industry is heading to and what are the top challenges in the industry. We've had some amazing conversations around that, and we've also heard some interesting topics and challenges from other industry leaders. So I feel we have had a great time and we are able to fulfill what we came here to do. So on day one, the session I found most interesting was the roundtable one on IoT for remote monitoring. There were some good conversations around that, and this is a key area which our company provides solution. So it was very insightful to see all the conversations around that. Additionally, I really liked the executive opening panel as well as the leaders talk on data and AI. They resonated the challenges which we also hear in other industry about the data availability for decision making and the role of AI in driving innovation. I'm very much looking forward to Roundtable 2 session today, where I'll also be talking about our solutions, how we help shape digital twin industry and how the data availability is driving the innovation in that domain. So yeah, looking forward to that session as well.